2015 MacBook Air made by Apple. I've owned this computer for over 4 years now. It still runs great. I mean, to this day, with the operating system, I'm using Mojave. Still runs really good on the internet. My software, photos, videos. I also have, with this model, I upgraded the hard drive to a solid state drive, which gives it more storage capacity. And the actual computer system runs faster. You may want to consider that when you get this, is you can also upgrade it. So in my opinion, this will be a great, inexpensive way to own an Apple quality product. So you can run all your apps and surf the internet and do your business and personal on this machine. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.